Umentri rangba ka Jylla u Conrad ki sangma ha ka sautarik no opera ulakot penlong ya ka jingalang Bishar kam ya baro ki project ba kongsan ba pentrei da ka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL hapo ka Jylla. Kani ka jing Bishar kam u Conrad ki kentup ya ka Shillong-Dawki Road, Shillong-Western Bypass, Wahkaji-Kyrshai Road, Ranikor-Maheshkhola-Rongara Road, Batnongston Roads. Umentri rangba uong baha kani ka jingalang kabani haduk lai kenta kilayat hirting ha kabayadei bat kapor ban pendap ya ki project bapher nalor kata laya krenru ya ki jing baya kendu ka NHIDCL ban pentre ya ki project shna surok.
Detailed review of all the projects that is being implemented by NHIDCL, and in the meeting we had officials from all the departments concerned, all the deputy commissioners, and most importantly we had all the contractors also who had come. So we've gone through all the projects and we've asked each contractor to give a deadline on the different works. We have asked them about the problems that they're facing, and based on that we have asked the officials to resolve those issues, and now we'll be continuously monitoring this because this is a working season, so we would not want to lose this time, and therefore as I said, all the important projects that are being implemented by NHIDCL, we have gone through each one of them. It was a very long, almost a 3-hour meeting we had, but very productive and very good meeting we had, and I'm hopeful that it will have a positive impact on all the projects that are being implemented in the state right now. Different problems being faced by different projects. Some areas it's land acquisition, some areas it's forest clearance, some area we have issue because some utility shifting is pending. So depending on project to project, and even in land acquisition there are different issues. Some places there's an issue of rates that's going on. In some places there's a ROW issue going on. So on and so forth. In some places, earlier it was a government land, and later on some people are coming and now claiming that it's theirs. So there are different problems and different complications in different projects. But as I said, we took up each one in the minute details, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to, to resolve all the issues. Some reviews. We have some changes and some, proposals are coming through from the department side. So we have not taken the decision today, but those proposals were discussed, and these are being done, of course, to increase the overall revenue of the state. So we're still examining those proposals. The project was very much part of the discussion. The contractors also were available, and they were present, and the deputy commissioners were there. We're having some issue with the land acquisition rates, and those issues have been discussed in detail today, and we've asked the deputy commissioners to resolve the issue within this week. This is part of the package 1 of the project. We are proposing some changes in that so that we can make it into an elevated road, because earlier it was just simply not a proper flyover, as you would say. So we are taking up the matter with Government of India and figuring out how we can add the pillars and extend this whole thing so that it reaches the petrol pump junction, and then of course we are also looking at the possibility of extending that further, but it's not in this phase because that will create a lot of confusion and complication at this point in time. So yes, that project is very much part of it, and we, as I said, earlier the proposal was not to have that elevated road, but now we are proposing to include that. NHIDCL officials from this who are handling the projects here are also in favor of that, and obviously state government is in favor, and we are going to take up the matter with Delhi to allow that particular extension and the elevated roads to come up within this package itself. No, it is a part of the project. But as I said, there is an enhanced component now, which we are requesting Government of India to enhance. The numbers, I'm sorry, with me right now. But it's about, it's more than 1,500 crores. So I don't have the exact number with me right now, but I can have it in the file later on. I can give it to you. Wahkaji-Kyrshai Road, we reviewed that road. We reviewed the Ranikor-Maheshkhola-Rongara Road. Then we also reviewed the Nongstoin Nongstoin roads, and then we also discussed about the Shillong-Dawki road, that was also part of it, and then the Western bypass, Yeah, these were the prominent projects that we discussed.